Hello. In this video I will be demonstrating how to terminate an LC UPC connector on the F1. First, install the back boot onto the back shell. Install that onto your fiber. Place your spring and your heat shrink tube on. Load into your holder. Make sure your settings are correct. Single mode, LC, 900 micron. Strip. Clean. Cleave. Place into your splicer. Load your LC connector into the proper holder. Make sure it's seated all the way forward. Strip. Clean. And cleave. Place into your splicer. Once it's complete, open your wind cover, let the tensile test be conducted. Once it comes back to your main screen, remove your connector. Bring up your heat shrink tube. Turn on your heater. Once your connector's finished, remove, place into your cooling tray, let cool for 10 seconds. Once complete, bring your spring and back shell up, remove your dust cap, insert your front shell, snap together, reinstall your dust cap. Your connector's done. Thank you.